Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to enchant your Kraken rod. First, make sure you have your Kraken rod ready. Next, find an enchanting table, which is crucial for this process. You will also need to accumulate 30 levels of experience. This ensures you can apply the most powerful enchantments available. Let's get started on boosting your fishing prowess. To enchant your Kraken rod, you'll need a few key items. Each enchantment attempt requires 3 lapis lazuli, so stock up. While not strictly required for the initial enchantment, having a book and quill can help you manage your enchantments more effectively. An anvil is also very useful later for combining enchantments or repairing your rod, extending its life. Now for the enchanting process itself. Place your Kraken rod into the enchanting table's designated slot. You will then see 3 enchantment options appear. Carefully choose the enchantment that best suits your needs, keeping an eye on the experience cost. Once you confirm your selection, the enchantment will be applied, consuming your experience levels and lapis lazuli. To truly optimize your Kraken rod, aim for specific enchantments. Luck of the Sea 3 and Lure 3 are highly recommended for maximizing your catch. Mending is incredibly useful, as it repairs your rod using experience orbs you collect. Finally, Unbreaking 3 will significantly increase your rod's durability, making it last much longer during your fishing adventures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.